So we're planning what to take, what's going to go in the bag. This bag's going to go on the roof rack of the car.
Cargo bag, pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Pretty handy. So we've got, obviously we've got our...
I'll run you through it.
Yeah, run us through.
Tent, 6-person tent. That's the Coleman one we decided. We didn't get the Oz Trail because it just wasn't going to work with width. Flight mattress for us, 2 sleeping bags for us, toilet tents under that. In here we've got Riley's blow-up bed. He's got a little mattress as well with a sleeping bag. Porta cot for Chloe slash playpen, which is really cool. Toilet. And then this tub here is going to have all our cooking utensils, you know, the kettle,
Pots, pans,
cutlery, all that sort of stuff in it as well.
And we just got to add the chairs and a few other things.
Yeah, really cool zip up bag. Literally lid goes on, tie that to the roof racks. I will have to move the max tracks a bit, but we're going to want them accessible anyway, so they'll just sort of tie on top and tie all this down. And then in the back of the car will be obviously the fridge packed. I'm going to use one of the drawers as a pantry, so when we pack that we'll run you through a video of what we're taking, how we've got things packed, other drawer recovery gear, stuff like that, to be nice and accessible when you need it and set up. So far. In the mix of packing for the Cape, we somehow have changed colour of the doona. Come on.
I've been looking for one for ages that I like.
And some pillows that aren't even going to be comfy to lay on.
Yeah, it's all about the look. Don't pick on me. I don't yell at you and what you bring home.
I don't bring home anyone but you, my love. Beautiful, isn't it?
Chloe likes it, don't you? Yeah.
Chloe's a bit tired.
So we are leaving Townsville today. Today is Wednesday, and it's what's the time, like 12:30 p.m. So we've got, I think, a 3-hour drive ahead of us, hoping that the kids manage all right, being in the afternoon. Stopping at a place, I can't remember the name, it's just 2 hours south of Port Douglas. Stopping there overnight and then getting up early and trekking to Port Douglas. I think it's about 2.5 hours to there. Stopping there, meeting up with Simon and Courtney again, who we're travelling to the Cape with. And then from there, we're just going to sort everything out, strip out the car, sort out what we're taking, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, going to be exciting. We're so close to leaving. So we just arrived at Innisfail. I think that's what it's called. After a long trip, a bit over 3 hours I think, but that's long enough for these two. So we haven't got much in the fridge tonight because we're trying to empty out the caravan for our trip. So the kids have got some veggies and Riley's got some 2-minute noodles. What are you doing? Oh dear. Riley, we're not meant to be teaching her how to do these things.
Oh God.
Oh Jesus. So we have arrived, well, we're on the Captain Cook Highway heading towards Port Douglas. Last time we were here it rained. It actually flooded. Cyclones. Every time we're here it rains, and it's raining now.
There was a cyclone offshore which obviously stirred the weather system up, and it poured rain that bad that all the landslides covered the Captain Cook Highway on the way out. So it's the only road in and out of Port Douglas. So we were stuck here for an extra 5 nights on our honeymoon.
Yeah, wasn't too bad. No. Except for the rain and the floods, and like it was knee deep in a lot of places. But yeah, we're here again. So only here for the night, and then Mount Carbine tomorrow night.
Just drop the van off. We're in the tent.
Oh, hopefully this rain stops.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm cooking, and then we're cryovaking all the meals. So I've done spag bowl, curried sausages. What else have I done? Shepherd's pie.
Sweet and sour chicken.
Sweet and sour chicken, butter chicken. Yeah, that's it. 5 meals.
And all the meat.
And yeah, Josh cryovaced all the meat. So we had a little bit of a disaster last night. So before we left Townsville, we bought a roof rack bag, I guess you'd call it. Bought that to put all of our sleeping bags and stuff in. So last night Josh was like, look, I better double check it because we got a lot of rain. So he got up on the roof of the car, double checked it, and it was absolutely flooded. So it wasn't a waterproof bag like they said. So the tent, porta cot, sleeping bags, like they were dripping. Everything was dripping wet. So pulled it all out. We're going to kick on to Mount Caravan today. We do drop the van off tonight, like we get one more sleep in it. But look, we don't want to miss out. Everything's wet, but we're going to try our best to air it all out. If worse comes to worse, we'll just take the bedding off our beds and just make do. We'll just make it happen because we've come this far. We've had a few hurdles along the way because we were not prepared. We did not think that we were going to do the Cape, but we are. So we've had to quickly get things along the way. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fine. Our beds are going to dry, and I'm staying optimistic because that's all you can do at times like this. But there's stuff everywhere in the caravan too. Like we have to get rid of all the food and put that out in the car. So much to do, so we will bring you along with us. So this is where we were for one night in Port Douglas, just someone's property. It's absolutely amazing. It's called Birdsong. So if you're ever looking for a spot to stop, I recommend this one.
Hello, welcome to our Cape York adventures. We've cooked, we've cryovacked, and we are set.
Whoa.
I reckon there's at least 10 days of food there.
Easy. Yeah.
Easy.
All done. Just heat them up.
Easy.
Yep. We're going to show
How good
you
does
how.
it feel?
That
Feels
butane.
good. Feels good, but also the room. Can't believe how much room we've saved by doing this.
Yeah, you put that in plastic containers.
Yep. Oh mate.
Oh no, it wouldn't have
Oh, look, we
happened.
still
Fill a caravan fridge.
got all this for some dairy and that, and we've still got a 70-litre fridge in the other car.
Drinks.
Some Victor Bravos will go in there, but also you know, plenty of fruit, veg,
Yep.
milk,
Yep.
you name it, as we've got plenty.
Dairies, the kids love the yogurts.
Yeah. What else have you done today, boys?
Well, the big pack up. So we're running rooftop bags this time. We thought we'd give them a run. We've had a bit of a bad experience with our rooftop bag in the rain. It wasn't waterproof, so look, a couple of things got wet, but that's all good. We're
Dried it all out.
we've dried it all out. We're reloaded again. So up top we got in our bag we've got tent, toilet, portaloo tent, chairs, blow-up mattresses. And then just a plastic
Lots
tub
of
with
stuff,
nitty-gritties
yeah.
and stuff in it as well. So we're pretty organised up there, which is good. And it's awesome to get that stuff up out of the way. Simon was just saying then how much room he saved in the back of his ute, which is really cool as well. So come around, we'll show you through his rig. Come and give us a run, Jan, Simon.
Same sort of thing, mate. Up the top, new roof bag.
Yep.
So again, portaloo, tents, tables, fishing gear. We've got, you know, tub up there, sleeping bags. We've got kids, camp chairs, all that sort of jazz. So that's all up out of the way.
The train's nice and accessible.
Yeah.
We've run them at the front. I've done the same with the Max Tracks, just so we can get them when we need them.
And then yeah, got our Oz 10 on the other side, which fits perfect.
You guys run the RV5.
Yeah.
Oh, mate.
Good job. We're ready to rock and roll in the morning.
Yeah.
Simon and Courtney have put on another feast. How good is this?
Well,
The night before the
crackles.
Cape. We're about to leave the caravans. The kids are actually filled to the brim. The car's full to the brim, but we're ready to go.
Yay!
So now we say goodbye to our caravan for 2 weeks. How are you feeling, Josh?
Oh, it's everything. It's excitement, it's nerves.
I know.
It's like, have we got everything?
I know. We'll be fine. It's going to be fun.
We got the main things anyway.
So we are off on our Cape York adventure. So make sure you hit subscribe because we have 2 weeks worth of videos coming your way. All the Cape York adventures we get up to, the 4-wheel drive stuff, the waterfalls, everything. We want to share everything with you. So make sure you hit subscribe to not miss out on the next episode. Let's do this.